4-week clinical study published something incredible. Coconut oil reduced moisture loss through damaged skin barriers by a significant margin. If you're over 40 with dry skin like me, this is the proof that we've been waiting for. The experiment was conducted over a total of 4 weeks with a total of 20 subjects who were assigned to either the control group or the experimental group after having tested about their homogeneity. The subjects of the experimental group used the coconut oil once a day after taking a shower. They used the oil by applying a suitable amount of it on their legs and then rubbing it until it absorbed into the skin completely. The evaluations of the skin change were conducted before the test material application and after 2 and 4 weeks of the application, is including skin moisture, transepidermal water loss, 12, dead skin cell amounts, and survey for present skin condition satisfaction measurement about the test material, etc. The improvement rates of the skin moisture indicated 100% plus after 2 weeks and 148% plus after 4 weeks of coconut oil application in comparison of pre-application. These results were statistically significant and suggest that coconut oil considerably improves skin moisture. This improvement rates of the 12 indicated over 27% after 2 weeks and over 36% after 4 weeks of coconut oil application in comparison of pre-application. These results were statistically significant and suggest that coconut oil facilitates the prevention of the amount of 12. The improvement rates of the dead skin cells amounts indicated 60% plus after 4 weeks of coconut oil application in comparison of pre-application. These results were statistically significant and suggest that coconut oil benefits the reduction of dead skin cell amounts. It was discovered that the experimental group who used coconut oil, the current skin moisture as well as the current skin texture, showed the greatest improvement by amounting to over 165% and 180% respectively. According to the research results, the effects of the improvement may be satisfactorily assessed. Evidently, coconut oil has a positive effects on skin moisture contents, as well as the decreased dead skin cell amounts, among other things. Now, let me share with you my personal story with using coconut oil, specifically for very dry, sensitive, and eczema-prone skin. Within about 4 weeks, I noticed a significant improvement in the texture, look, and feel of my skin, specifically on the backs of my hands because that's where the eczema was, but I was also using it on my face. So, word to the wise, make sure when you're using coconut oil, especially on your face, that it is organic, virgin, cold-pressed coconut oil. I'll put links down to the ones that I like. You can find it on Amazon. It has been a lifesaver for my dry, sensitive skin, and it can help you too also, as long as you're using natural, organic ingredients, especially if you're layering products on with each other. It's not going to cause any issues with your skin breaking out. Here's what I do, especially in the fall and the winter months, that you can use coconut oil so that way it absorbs fast. It's not greasy or oily. You're not going to leave oil trails everywhere. Is I formulated this, it's like a sugar scrub, but it has coconut oil, so it polishes away the dull, dry skin. It works with the organic virgin coconut oil to help your skin to repair and nourish itself. Your skin knows what to do with organic virgin coconut oil. So practicality wise, I use it in the shower. So first, what I use and recommend for dry skin is using a Castile soap. It comes in liquid or bar soap form. I have a video I talked about the research behind coconut oil was so good for dry skin. You can check it out here. So use that in the shower first, like you normally would the soap. Wash your skin, rinse it off, and then scoop up. I scoop it up because I don't have a manicure, but you can use a spoon to scoop up just a little bit. It doesn't take very much. And then I massage it all over my face and my whole body. Then I rinse it off with lukewarm water and then pat dry. Then this is where the layering factor comes in with coconut oil. I use a face and body cream that I also developed specifically for dry, sensitive eczema skin. I use it on my face also. Just a tiny little bit goes a long way, but you want to put it on when your skin is still damp. That way you're locking and sealing in the moisture. You're not losing any water loss after you've taken a shower, and it stays on all day, so that way your skin is nourished and repaired. I've done other videos also on mango butter somewhere up here. You can check it out here. Also research backed on how it benefits your skin. It helps with anti-aging. It helps with women over 40 like myself to help our skin to look its best at any age. If you're like me and tend to deal with dry, sensitive, or eczema skin, then you are in the right place. Make sure to like and subscribe so that way you get notified when new videos come out. I come out with new research-backed videos every week. And make sure to check out this video next, where I dive into what Vogue had to say about coconut oil and how it benefits your skin also.